Hey guys, this is Karen from Curl House, and today we are going to talk about water. But I'm not talking about water to spray on your hair or water in your leave-in conditioner to hydrate your hair externally. I'm talking about drinking water. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so that you do not miss a video. I think you know that water is the most important thing that you need for your body. And in terms of hair growth, the Institution of Medicine has determined that the daily intake of water needed for hair growth is 2 to 3 liters of water for healthy hair growth. So I have a question. How much water are you drinking for healthy hair? Much like a plant needs water to grow, so does your hair. Believe it or not, water makes up about 25% of the hair strand. So drinking at least 2 liters of water will support the strength of your hair. Dehydration immediately halts hair growth. Have you ever been dehydrated? Have you ever been sick and you noticed that your hair was shedding more than normal? Because you're dehydrated, because your body is dehydrated. And it is possible for your hair to stop growing if you're not drinking the adequate amount of water. Water is also the key ingredient that supports the vitamins in your body for vitamin and nutrient uptake within your body. So water is just key to healthy hair and hair growth. I know we talk about putting water in our hair to maintain the strength of the hair externally, but water is really #1 in hydrating your body and moisturizing your hair. So I have a challenge for you during this Lent season. For those of you who recognize Lent, or if you don't recognize Lent, you can still do this too. I have a 30-day water challenge for you. Are you going to do it with me? Are you going to cut out all beverages that is not water? So that means for the next 30 days, I only want you to drink water. It can be distilled water, filtered water, purified water, alkaline water. Just drink water. There are many ways to drink water. You can get them in different bottles. You can get your water in during the day. Drink your water for the next 30 days. That is the challenge that I have for you. I did this 30-day challenge years ago. I cut out everything but water. That includes coffee, and that's really for me because I love coffee. I drink it every day. But if I'm encouraging you to do this challenge, I'm going to do it too. But anyway, I only drank water for 30 days a few years back, and not only did it help my hair, it helped my skin. My skin was glowing after 30 days. I felt so good. Water will detoxify the body, and you'll see it in your hair and in your skin. So I challenge you and I encourage you to drink water just for the next 30 days, just water. I encourage you to drink about half your body weight in water if you like. Half your body weight is usually what I tell my clients if you don't know specifically how much to drink, or if you're already drinking water, if you're not drinking enough water, drink more water. So there's a saying that knowledge is power. Well, I believe most people know the importance of water. Knowledge is only power when you apply it. So until we talk again, stay fabulous.